What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chris from Day Traders Lifestyle TV. Welcome to another episode of Market Strip Down Saturdays. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and I will see you soon. Welcome to episode 6 of Market Strip Down Saturdays. As always, we are going to start off with gold on the 4-hour time frame. What I see here is potentially a gap up, if not a push up on the Sunday open to the 1330 handle. Going into some consolidation for Sunday evening, around midnight Sunday night, we should see the market start to set up. We'll see a break below 1326.22. A retest of 1326.22, a continued push down to the 1316.9 price handle. From there, we will either break this ascending trend line that I have on the 4-hour here. There's a little better view of this channel. We're either going to break out of this channel and start to create a downward trend, or we are going to bounce from the 1316.9. If we do break the 1316.9, we'll see a push down, a retracement and retest of the 1312.17. You can see this descending trend line that I have here off this high and off of this high. So a breakthrough, a retest, and a continuation down to the 1303.66 price range. When we get to there, I'm not quite sure what'll happen. I think most likely we will see a bounce up. You need to remember that if we're going to start a downtrend, we have to have some sort of retracement to create the downward channel now, right? Because we'll have an upward channel. We have the upward channel here. We're going to have a downward channel like this. So I think once we hit the 1303.6, we will see price come back up into the 1330s. I could be wrong. We will see. We'll see how price plays out this week and how the market moves. Let's head over to EURUSD. EURUSD, we can see I have these descending trend lines. I am just simply looking for a push up, just shy of the 113.45. Sorry. Give you a better idea. 113.41 is where I'm looking for on EURUSD. A push up to there, and then a push down to let's just see here. Push, oh, that was absolutely horrible. All right, this does not want to cooperate. A push down to somewhere around the 112.82 area. From there, we'll either see a bounce back up. I'm going to bank on a break below it, a retest of either this trend line. My better assumption would be the 112.63 price handle will be the retest, and a continuation down somewhere around the 112, pretty much the 112 spot on is where I'm looking price to head towards. Say around there. That'd be the end price that I'm looking for in EURUSD. USDJPY, let's go check it out. USDJPY, now this is on the 1-hour. The last two charts were on the 4-hour. Simply looking for USDJPY to come down, retest the low from Friday, the low from Thursday, twice on Thursday. It was about the middle of the range on Tuesday. Same thing for Monday. So it's a very important price. We can see this ascending trend line that I have here, probably drawn on the 4-hour. Yep, it definitely is. So I'm looking for a retest of this 4-hour trend line, as well as a retest of the 110.58. If we do break below this and don't come back up shortly after, it's obviously invalid. But I'm not even going to assume that it's going to break it. I'm just going to assume that it's going to bounce off of it. And once it gets to the 110.75 price handle, we will either see price bounce back down. I'm going to assume it's going to break above it. We'll then head to the 110.87, again break that, retest the 110.87, use it as a support, and head up to the 111.11 price range, somewhere around there, anywhere from 111.11 to 111.13. That's pretty much it for USDJPY. Again, we could get rejected at these, at the 110.75 as well as the 110.87. So keep an eye on those prices. Let's head over to, last but not least, GBPJPY. GBPJPY, 1 hour chart again. We can see these ascending trend lines. I am looking for price to obviously stay above the 144.12, but better yet, I'm looking for price to stay above the 144.345. I think that's going to be a very important price. Maybe a few pips lower. We could see it go as low as 144.318. So just a wick past this support that I have drawn here, but I'm expecting the bodies to close above this trend line. If the bodies do close above this trend line, which is created off of this upper wick, this body, this lower wick area, this support area here, support and resistance area, I'm expecting price to bounce from here, head up toward the 144.7. From there, we could either bounce down or break above. If we break above, we'll break up and use the 144.8 as support. It's going to break above the 144.8, come back down, use it as support, and head upwards.
I hope you guys enjoyed episode 6 of Market Strip Down Saturdays, alright? It's always a pleasure sharing this information with you guys, sharing a little bit of knowledge and some value on here for you guys. I love you. I will see you next week. Trade carefully, trade precisely like trained snipers. Bing, bing. I will see you soon. Peace.